Hi.
I totally didn't film getting into the car or anything. Kim picked me up from the train station.
I want it so bad, like I want a bite of it.
I know, I like literally wanted to taste it.
And I'm using this old ass camera.
Let's see.
It's an underwater camera actually.
Wait, that's really cool.
Yeah, I got it on a cruise like when I was like 15 probably.
And I love how it's like you use it like 10 years later.
No, literally.
I love cactuses. It just reminds me of home.
Guys, this is Lena, by the way.
What's up? What's up?
We're going on a walk. Look at us both.
Influencers in the wild 2.0.
And it's like, why are we walking like in the middle of the street? It's like if a car comes, like, peace out.
I'm letting my inner child be free.
So we're going to get some ice cream because we're little fatties. Just kidding.
Actually, I'm a fat ass. Like, we need ice cream.
Yeah.
Like, I don't even care. Okay, you guys, first of all, Kim, you guys need to know. I feel like you need to tell them who you are, little. Let me expose her for you guys.
What can I tell them?
Basically, here's the type of person where you'll eat a whole ass dinner and she'll be like, oh my gosh, this is way too much. I'm full. No, it's not even about finishing the dinner. It's like, she'll be so full after whatever she eats, and then 2 seconds later, she's like, gotta get something sweet.
Wait, but I also have to say the fact that, okay, so my mom brought out the food and I was like, literally like, Mom, why do you put so much in our plates? Like, we cannot eat that. And I was like stressing it so hard that we cannot finish this food.
She's like, you don't have to finish it.
Yeah. And I was like so stressed about it. And I literally finished the whole thing and got seconds. So
I got seconds too. You know when you're over at your friend's house and you're like hungry but you don't want to say anything? That was my vibe. And then like when you finally said like, oh, let's go check on dinner, I'm like, yeah, let's go check on dinner.
No,
like,
I was literally, she was like talking to me in the bed and I was like dying of hunger and I was literally like, I was about to collapse.
Yeah, you were really tired, man.
Yeah.
I was like, you needed that energy.
It's because I had to clean my room from the freaking back to school outfit video. You don't know how big of a mess it was.
Dude, it was a pile. Like, it was literally, guys,
a mountain.
You could not see her bed almost. But it was for the video.
I got my little fuzzy slides on. I feel like it's low-key a vibe with these pants. Like, I don't know why and when fuzzy slides became a vibe, but I think it is. When you're both vlogging, so you walk 10 feet away from each other so you don't disrupt each other's video. It's like, okay, loners. Like, hi, Lena. Wait, I need to tell them this dangerous pursuit. So we have to do this. Okay, wait, this is our moment. Go, go, go. My shoes are, my slides. We made it! We almost died, but we made it. Brush Co. Let's go.
Oh, whoa, the lighting? I'm sorry, it's fine. Why is the lighting so good in Fresh Co? You guys might see some Fresh Co content.
Okay, ice cream time. First of all, I like vegan.
Oh, me too.
I'm not trying to be bougie or anything, but because I don't want a stomachache. I don't want to ruin our hangout because we decided to eat ice cream. Because if I have dairy, God knows what's gonna happen. I usually get, do they even have it? Sorry, I gotta step low key. They don't have the flavor, but I like these too.
Which one?
Should we just get this?
Yeah.
Okay, we're getting these. Why did I look so angry? We're getting these.
Get these.
We're gonna take some pictures in the aisle.
I'll cut it out. Yeah. Oh, unless if you want to be an ad, then I can use. I need content. You'll find it. I'm shy. But when you're not gonna get more subscribers if you're shy. But the thing is, like, when you see us, we have enough right now. I was trying to be supportive. But oh, thank you. Thank you.
When you're connecting to the Wi-Fi.
This is a new hangout spot.
Also, ice cream's right there, it's gonna melt. And my phone's right there.
Okay, we gotta be quick. Let me turn on my data for this. I really looked away. Shy girl.
Don't be shy.
What's with this peace sign thing?
I don't even know, it's just like a vibey. Go like this.
The entire time?
I don't know.
You're not gonna... I tried so hard. I'll put it on mine. Kind of cool background. I like it. It's cute. Kate, let's not hype it up too much. Yeah, true. Dogs will hear us and they'll be like, let's not put on anyone's phone. Yeah. What kind do they have?
Oh, do you want pink?
OMG. Just
Get you a pink one.
Thank you. How'd you know I wanted pink?
I just know you like that. We got our Kinders. We're going to the gas station to make a little TikTok.
I literally just zoned out and I filmed myself for like 10 seconds. I love Among Us. Do you like Fortnite? Do you like Fortnite?
No, I like penis.
What? We need to go.
Oh my God. Runs away. Where's his mother? A 10-year-old literally just yelled penis at us.
Police officer comes after me. That was PG content. He came out on his own.
Yeah. What did he say? He said, I like penis?
Like, yeah. Do you like Fortnite? He's like, no, I like penis. I'm like, oh.
Shit. I mean,
yeah, no judgment.
Yeah.
You know? I think my favorite YouTuber right now, honestly, because she's going so like well, is Hannah Molosh. Bought face wash tonight.
Yeah, but I like how you're going like really nice. You're like, I'm like,
I'm like attacking my face. Like, you know what it reminded me of when you did that thing? What? When Kendall Jenner did the I knew you struggled with acne and you still did that. Yeah, when she did the proactive thing and she's like, I always use this, and she like put it on her face, and then the segment where she's washing her face, she's like, and then like she won't even keep it on for like longer than 10 seconds. I feel like this is the type of skincare that I should be doing every night.
use Panoxyl.
What's
it
that?
helped a lot of people's acne. I'm curious. It's
Panoxyl?
what Madison Beer uses.
I trust her because she put me on bio oil, and that stuff has helped.
Guys, we're gonna get ready for bed, and then we're not sleeping though.
We're not sleeping.
We're gonna have snacks. Okay, bye. I have a little surprise on her bed.
A Kinder.
Wait, I didn't get her ice cream. Should I get it now? This is what we're currently doing. Wait, you have to hit the monster behind you. Okay, okay. Let's go. Kill that beast.
Seems like you have to hit the monster just handing me a controller to a complete new game. Like,
I got it yesterday, so you're gonna die, man. Okay, yeah. I don't know. Whatever you're doing is good. What have you been clicking?
all the buttons. Yo, I love this game. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Wait, you switched characters. I already died during this level. It's really hard.
Oh.
It's like the first level. The things you get in your message requests are just psychotic. We were on live and someone literally took a screenshot of Lena's photo, cropped it, and sent it to me. And because like that's effort it took to crop this photo and like send it to you.
From the Kinder Surprise.
Right. Fashion.
I kind of like it.
Look at this little guy. What a cute troll. The garden gnome, eh? Let's just say we've been eating. Pretty healthy though. We're waiting for this shit to load.
Can't believe we used to put
What?
McDonald's in our bodies.
Yeah, you. As if I'm above that. As if I didn't have it last week. Okay, also, we went live on TikTok. Yeah, we were on there with my friend Joe from school. And then this guy named Dan, aka Ella, joined us from the Philippines. And he was telling us his whole life story. It goes by itself. Look at this guy.
Dude, that's so lucky.
Look at this, guys.
Oh my gosh,
Yo.
that's so cute. What the heck? I'm shocked. I'm lost for words.
Good morning. Macy's here with us and we're going thrifting. Yeah, so this is the fit. The new docs are featured.
They're so cute.
This is an Australia sweater. It's like,
Wait, actually?
yeah, it's like a tourist sweater from Australia.
Aussie gal.
And my dad got, and Tiana was like, I'm never wearing that. And I was like, wait a minute. It might be cool. So.
Yeah. No, I love it. Wearing my forest green chucks.
Yes.
These shorts. Like, how do you even call them high-waisted? And then just a tank top and a Ralph Lauren.
Tell them the story of the hat.
Kim used to have high school parties at her dad's house, and he would have like a bunch of us over, and there was this one couch, and things would just go missing there, and later on we found out it was a person from our group, not gonna say any names, but
the person was stealing.
Yeah, the person was stealing the stuff. But we always just thought, like, we'd always be like, oh, the couch, like, don't leave anything here, like, the couch is gonna eat it. Unfortunately, I guess it was like this hat's turn to be lost in the couch, or whatever. Everyone's like, honestly, you're not gonna get the hat back, like, it's gone. And I was like, okay. You guys, it's been what, like 5 years?
Yeah, 5 years. Like, she was just sitting on my bed being like, oh, I really want to get this polo hat. And I was like, wait, I think I have your hat from like
I was like,
grade
I want to
11?
bring back polo hats. Like, I want to wear them again. And Kim, I kid you not, out of nowhere, she's like, 1 second. Literally grabs a hat, throws it on the bed, and I was like, you're kidding! I can't believe you still have it.
The banana loaf. Thank you. The best barista. Oat milk matcha latte with sugar-free vanilla, and she got a dirty
matcha. It's so good.
taste.
Yeah. What are your
It
thoughts?
is good.
Good, right?
Yeah. Try mine. Really sweet, right?
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Yeah, it's good though.
Wait, what?
Sugar-free vanilla.
Okay, that's the key.
Okay, so we're here at Value Village. I'm taking Lena to the one that's in our hometown. This is the one where I did my thrift guide video at. It has the best stuff. Like, I already have my eye on something. So we're gonna go explore and look at what they have. I got a cart here. I already see some stuff I want, so let's So far we found a couple things. We have beige overalls, this little white dress, and I don't know what we're doing with this scarf, but we'll try it on. So I'm trying to find Lena some dress pants right now. She had these dress pants on her Pinterest board, and I need to find them. No, like, I love all the vintage H&M and stuff that we think is cute here, but it's like then you look at the tag and it's literally H&M. At least we're reusing fast fashion, so I'm okay with it. So we got this polo Ralph Lauren jean jacket for, what, $13? We got some questionable items in here. Just a plain white tee. Questionable again, but it's Fila. A little loafer moment, so I don't know if I'll get these or not, but they're so comfy. Then I got the cutest shoes, like, so jealous. These heels are kind of questionable, but we'll see. They're kind of worn out, you know? Not quite sure, but these pants could be cute. I got some True Religions that probably fit me. Okay.
Okay, which ones are you getting?
Okay, I'm thinking I'll try this on for you again. This is giving me Heaven by Marc Jacobs vibes, but it's not even anything like it. I don't know, I think it's the colors, but I'm gonna try it. I don't know yet. These were no. They gave me academic vibes.
Academia?
Yeah, academia. So I don't think that's really my vibe. These are trendy, but I don't know if it looks good on me.
I like them. I think they're cool. Yeah.
They're cool. They're kind of like a trend. Like,
Yeah.
You know, like it's gonna go out eventually.
So no?
We'll see what we come up with it.
You want timeless pieces. I love the corset.
Yeah, true. Okay, maybe no then.
Yeah.
It's religions, because we want pieces that we will love forever.
Yeah.
These were no because they didn't fit, but they could have been cute like cargo vibes. We low-key have a lot more.
I love that.
Too big though.
It's so cute though.
Too big.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you guys the rest later because there's a lot more, and I don't think you guys want to sit through this, so I'll show you after. So we got some good stuff. I'm not gonna lie, it was really hard to put stuff down. Okay, I didn't follow my own rule, which is leave with 1 to 2 items. I never follow it, but so we got this corset. Lena said that she liked it, so I was like, okay.
Yeah,
No, and I did like it as well. Got this basic white t-shirt, and like I don't know why I wanted it because it's just like so basic, but I just want to wear it right now. I feel like it's so comfy. Okay, and then we have this iconic dress which is like, you can probably get this off of like Princess Polly or something. So I don't know, it kind of was giving me medieval vibes, but maybe if I style it differently, because I felt like my necklaces were just like really medieval. So it's like kind of a Titans here, like a corset vibe, and then it's just like a white little cute innocent dress. And then I almost left with this t-shirt on because I thought it was mine. So that's when you know you have to get it. Got this little tropical vibe t-shirt. It says Tropical Paradise. And I think I just really like the colors on it, and it fits really good. It's like tight. And then, okay, I'm gonna be making this video, which I sew my thrift finds and then kind of flip it, because I have a lot of stuff that I got that just doesn't fit me right, and I have a sewing machine, and during quarantine I low-key kind of got into sewing. So I'm gonna make this into like a tropical skirt, like a wrap skirt kind of, and just the colors are amazing. So, and then this tank top, it's supposed to be lingerie. It's actually this way, but I feel like it's really cute.
Like famous, it's called the 5 a.m. like light or something like that.